In the Govinda Lilamrita, Krishna does the same thing. When Krishna enters the forest, the leaves and vines are hanging down, he touches the latas with his fingers. Oh, latas, oh my girls, because lata is female. Oh my girls, are you happy? Everything fine? And they're saying, now I'm happy. Now, because when Krishna touches their leaves, they become so thrilled with romantic feelings. And they express their romantic feelings by smiling with their flowers. As soon as he touches their leaves, a flower pops out right next to the leaf, which is a smile of acceptance and a smile of reciprocation. Oh, you touched us, say the lata patas. Lata pata. Lata pata. That's a phrase like that. Lata pata bi Shri Radha Radha. Every leaf of every tree of Vrindavan is chanting Shri Radha Radha. Vrindavan me lata pata, something like that. Yeah, Vrindavan ke lata pati bhi bole. Shri Radha Radha. The main thing, you can forget all the other words, but don't forget Shri Radha Radha. Nidhivan me bandhur bole. Shri Radha Radha. You can go down there and see all the monkeys you want, free of charge. People pay money in the foreign countries. They pay money to enter a zoo and see an Indian monkey. And there's a sign there on the cage that says, rhesus monkey, found in tropical regions like India. You say, wow. You go to the London Zoo, and you see a bandor from Vrindavan. They should take more over there. over there.